It's the canine equivalent of cold and flu season, and it's forced at least one popular kennel and doggy daycare to shut down temporarily to keep the illness from spreading. 9 News reporter Bryce Anslinger is live in Madisonville with more on the problem and what dog owners should look out for. Bryce?
Well, Carol, managers here at the Red Dog Pet Resort and Spa have closed down this facility until Saturday. They hope a deep cleaning can end a rash of dogs coming down with kennel cough. That's not what a dog with kennel cough sounds like. Dr. Larry Keller says if your dog has kennel cough, you'll know it by the unusual sound your dog is making.
A dry smoking cough, a honking cough, bark like a seal. A lot of people will describe it like that.
Dr. Keller says right now is prime time for cases of kennel cough, which is easily spread from dog to dog. And with many people boarding their dogs while they head out of town on vacation, kennels in particular are at risk.
Depending on the person or the dog, it can be pretty severe. I mean, there's been people that have come in and the dogs literally cough so bad that they vomit.
That's why when Red Dog Pet Resort and Spa managers realized they had a kennel cough outbreak, they took action.
I think that we did something that's a positive for our current clients by avoiding them contact with other dogs.
Red Dog will be closed until Saturday while they give the facility a deep cleaning. They hope that will get rid of the kennel cough, which is a virus spread through the air.
We felt it's important to create a prevention for all the dogs that come to us by shutting down daycare for 2 days and then cleaning the whole house and then bringing our dogs back that will not have a virus, hopefully, to spread amongst the rest of our population.
Kennel cough is treated with antibiotics, and kennel cough cannot be given to other pets like cats or any other animal besides dogs, and also it is not transmitted to humans. Carol?
All right, Bryce Anslinger reporting live from Madisonville. It's interesting to know. Police